Number 1. The 1965 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $19,500, is in excellent driver condition. It features a 389 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, a turbo 400 automatic transmission, and dual exhaust with glass packs. The exterior boasts base clear paint, likely applied in the 1990s, which maintains a glossy finish despite minor signs of aging. The interior has been partially restored with new carpeting and reupholstered front seats, along with features like power windows and locks. Minor issues include a non-functional radio and horn, weakening power window motors, and a headliner and vinyl roof that may need attention in the future. This car comes with classic Krager SS wheels, a build sheet, and matching frame numbers. Overall, it's ready to drive, offering a classic experience with room for further refinement. Number 2. The 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, priced at $4,200, has been modified and restored with modern and high-performance components. It features a 511c stroker V8 based on a Chrysler 400 block, a 4.5-inch crankshaft, roller rocker arms, and polished Edelbrock cylinder heads. The TRCH 5-speed manual transmission connects to a Detroit True Track limited-slip rear end. Its exterior showcases bright orange paint, a black hood with a scoop, and pin locks. The interior has been updated with black vinyl seats, a matching dashboard, a Pioneer audio system with an amplifier and subwoofer, and a pistol grip shifter with line lock. It rides on 15-inch Weld aluminum wheels with Cooper Cobra radial GT tires and features Willwood disc brakes on all 4 wheels. The rear suspension includes split-leaf springs, traction bars, and a Hotchkiss stabilizer. A relocated custom fuel cell in the trunk adds a racing aesthetic. These upgrades make this Roadrunner a perfect blend of classic charm and modern performance. Number 3. The 1964 Plymouth Valiant Cynate, priced at $12,000, has an original history from Vancouver Island until 2014. It is well maintained with a repaint done in the 1990s and a restored interior powered by a 200-25 Swan Slant 6 engine with power steering. The car runs smoothly. The convertible top was replaced in 1996, adding a fresh look. Recent updates include a new carburetor, drive shaft, strut rod bushings, exhaust, tires, radiator, and restored wheel covers. The blue retro interior remains original and clean. A modern retro sound system enhances the radio for added comfort. The engine bay, trunk, and seats show meticulous care, reflecting the car's historical and aesthetic value. Number 4. The 1974 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $12,500, is a glasshouse model in excellent condition for its 50-year age, with 100,000 miles on the odometer. It retains its original 350 V8 engine and 3-speed turbo-glide automatic transmission. It starts, shifts, drives, and stops without issues. The exterior and interior are well preserved, showcasing attentive care from previous owners. Its last paint and restoration occurred in 1997, appraised at $24,950. Original cloth seats remain intact, and the dashboard is crack-free. Features include air conditioning, a heater, a rear defogger, and an 8-track AM/FM player. The frame and floors are solid with only surface rust due to regular protective coatings. It comes with original dealer documents from Windsor and the most recent purchase records. Minor repairs are needed to meet current safety standards. Number 5. The 1973 Plymouth Duster, priced at $17,500. Features a slant 6 automatic engine and was previously based in Los Angeles, California, until last year. This rust-free car has received updates, including new carpeting, rear seat covers, dash pads, and interior panels. Its rear deck has been reclosed, and repairs addressed small rust holes in the trunk floor and lower panels. The front seats are non-original but come with the original bench seat if desired. The car rides on new tires mounted on 14 rally wheels with patina. Its paint has been refreshed, not to show quality but decent for its 50-year age. The car runs smoothly and is occasionally driven. It includes full ownership papers and is open for trades, especially pre-1974 project cars or trucks like Dodge Power Wagons or second-generation Dodge Ram diesels. Number 6. The 1962 Mercury Comet, priced at $6,500, houses a high-output 351 Cleveland engine with 4-bolt mains, 4 V-cylinder heads, a strong cam, and AC4 automatic transmission with a shift kit. Features include a 600 CFM Edelbrock carburetor, an Edelbrock electric fuel pump, rear air shocks, and new drum brakes. The instrument panel has been restored, and a new fuel sender unit is installed. The original paint shows some rust on the driver's side front fender and rear quarter panel due to previous louvers. Restorations include new interior components like the headliner and carpeting, new tires, and side pipes. The engine and transmission are fresh, and the vehicle is solid and roadworthy. Documentation includes the owner's manual, repair manual, and a carburetor tuning kit. Number 7. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $1, was restored in 2018 and is in excellent condition with no mechanical issues. It is powered by the original 289 CI engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, both numbers matching. The exterior features clean, well-maintained paint and 1965 Mustang GT-style steel wheels. The fully restored interior offers modern comfort, including a Bluetooth stereo with a USB port and kicker speakers. The undercarriage is clean and rust-free, indicating it has been garage-kept for the past 16 years. Additional features include a spare tire, repair tools, the original owner's manual, and purchase documents from Mississippi, making it a great option for classic car collectors. Number 8. The 1956 Ford Fairlane Skyliner, priced at $35,000, is a project car without an engine. Originally equipped with a 289 engine, it now features a 9-inch rear differential, Cal Trax bars, leaf springs, sliders, and upgraded front and rear suspension and shocks. The front braking system has been upgraded with Willwood discs and a dual master cylinder. AC4 transmission is installed. The paint is driver quality, suitable for everyday use, and the interior is clean and maintained. A fiberglass hood adds a sporty touch. The body is solid, offering significant potential for completion into a fully restored classic. Number 9. The 1978 Pontiac Grand Prix LJ, priced at $9,500, shows 43,000 original miles and is well preserved for its age. The interior is clean, featuring a classic wood grain dashboard and cloth-upholstered seats. The 301 4-barrel V8 engine remains mostly original and may require refreshing. Its dark blue exterior and white vinyl roof are appealing but could benefit from a repaint due to scratches and bumper filler panel replacements. The trunk is tidy with a properly stored spare tire. The seller cites limited storage space as the reason for sale, making it an ideal candidate for classic car enthusiasts willing to perform minor touch-ups. Number 10. The 1954 GMC Suburban, priced at $48,000, is in excellent condition and meticulously maintained. It features a 5.7 L350 CI V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission. Amenities include bucket seats with a center console, functional air conditioning, a rear heater, cruise control, tilt steering, power locks and windows, and a rear tailgate window in working order. A factory towing package includes a hitch, wiring, and a transmission cooler. Number 11. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced at $12,500, is equipped with a small block V8 engine and a Powerglide automatic transmission. It includes power steering and brakes with front disc brakes for improved stopping performance. The front suspension has a sway bar, while the rear features traction bars for stability. The exterior retains its original appearance with well-maintained paint showing minimal wear. The interior features covert cloth seats, an AM radio, and bodyside trim. The undercarriage has been fully coated for rust protection. It comes with the original build sheet and complete ownership records, with 88,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is ready for consideration, including potential trade options. Number 12. The 1938 Oldsmobile Cruiser, priced at $12,000, has been well restored and stored in a heated garage. The interior is neat, with repaired seats and a clean headliner. The exterior remains in excellent condition with no rust, though there are small scratches on the roof from storage. The well-maintained engine has not been run for 3 years and may require fresh gas and a new battery. Some door handles are missing, but replacement parts are included. The car comes with a protective cover, a manual, and original advertisements. It is a great choice for collectors or classic car enthusiasts and is available for immediate inspection. Number 13. The 1961 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $13,000, is in good overall condition. The exterior features a well-preserved light blue paint with minor signs of age. The interior showcases a classic design with blue and white seats that are well maintained. The dashboard and steering wheel retain their original 1960s charm. The engine is clean and has undergone recent maintenance, including replacement parts. It passed a safety inspection 4 months ago and includes original wheels and tires as spares. This Thunderbird is ideal for classic car fans seeking a comfortable and stylish ride. Number 14. The 1956 Oldsmobile 88, priced at $10,500, is a well-maintained daily driver powered by a restored 324 rocket engine paired with a 4-speed Jetaway hydromatic transmission featuring a sport mode. It runs smoothly with all functions, including lights, gauges, horn, wipers, heater, and defroster, in working order. Upgrades include dual exhausts, a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, and a 1-wire alternator conversion. The paint was redone in the 1990s and remains in good condition. The vehicle has been carefully maintained by its previous owner, an experienced mechanic. Numerous components, such as the front brake cylinders, air and fuel filters, valve cover gaskets, and more, have been recently replaced. This car is ready for immediate use and is perfect for both collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Number 15. The 1955 Mercury Montclair, priced at $12,500, is powered by a refreshed 390 big block engine. Recent updates include a new water pump, fuel pump, ignition system, charging system, battery, and 4 new tires installed last year. The car is nearly rust-free, with only surface rust on the underside. The original interior is 90% intact and in excellent condition. It starts, shifts, and drives as it did in 1964. Minor repairs are needed, such as the fuel sending unit, non-functional fuel gauge, and the temperature sender, non-functional temperature gauge. It has been regularly driven on 2-hour trips without issues and offers an engaging classic driving experience. The seller is open to offers or trades for pre-1987 4x4 vehicles in good condition.